Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my camper. And today I'm going to check this out. This is the Nycetek Nycetek, and it is a digital thermometer for like meats and stuff. So not like you're going to stick this in your mouth or butt. This is what it looks like on the back with the barcode and whatnot. So, whatever. Okay, so let's open it up here and see what we got. So this is a little guide it comes with. And it tells you how to cook stuff. Man, written super duper ridiculously small. It comes with some little Velcro dots, and these are the I don't know, where is it there? This is the rough side, and then the smooth side, so you can Velcro stuff. I guess Velcro this thing onto something. Let's see, this is what it looks like in here. So let's check it out here. It comes with two AAA batteries. Comes with the thermometer here, and it comes with a, I guess this is a little screwdriver for putting the batteries in. And let's see what else here we got. And then we have some sort of clip, and then we have instructions. So let's see how we do this thing here. Let's put it together and see how we do. So let's see here. So it says, open your path to exquisite Michelin food. Do not wash it with dishwasher. So here you go. So we can make Michelin food with this. So this means I'm going to be a Michelin chef of some sort. So let's see. So this comes up here, and there's the little probe. And that's, okay, so it's got a little sticker. There we go. So that's off. Now let's open it up. You can see on the back, I'm guessing this is a magnet. Do I have anything metal? I have my scissors. There, so you can magnet it. So if you have a barbecue or your stove is made out of metal, you could just stick it right on there. My stove isn't. Oh, I can put it on the refrigerator. The refrigerator's made out of metal. Okay, so let's see. It says tighten the screws, avoid water inlet. So let's open this up and put the basket. Excuse me. Put the batteries inside. It's kind of nice that it comes with a little screwdriver. So here we go. I guess I didn't unscrew this one all the way. There, now I did. It's good. It's got little plastic pieces so the screws don't fall out when you open it up, which is nice. And then it's got here where you put the batteries in. And it's funny, like the pictures of the batteries in there are both square. They don't have like an end on it, but at least it tells you where the plus and minus is. So I can go plus and minus here, there, and minus and plus there. I will put the top back on it again. Probably don't have to change the batteries very often in this. I mean, you only use it for like a couple seconds. And there we go. So now it's put together. So let's see how it works here. Let's see. It's hard to do, but there we go. Oh, and there it's on, and now it's set for beef, and so I could change it, I guess, for the mode. Oh, it's set for Fahrenheit. Let's see. Oh, lamb, veal, hamburger. So hamburger, I guess it kind of tells you what the temperature is. And right now it says it's 80 in here. Pork, turkey, chicken. So then, let's see what happens if I put my hand on this. So 84, 88, 90, 91. I don't know, can you see it there? So this is telling my temperature. 95. I guess you could take your temperature with this thing. Man, you'd totally stab your back of your mouth with that thing. I don't know why I just put that in my mouth for the thing from China. I probably just gave myself some sort of disease. But so that's kind of how it works, and you can see, and then it says auto off. So basically I think you just close it up and it turns off. So there it's off, and then you turn it on and it goes on. And then you set it for what type of meat, and then it's gonna kind of beep when it's ready, and it's set for Fahrenheit right now. And you can change your taste, I guess, to well done, medium, medium rare, or rare. Oh, I guess it automatically goes back to beef each time, huh? Lamb, veal, let's see. I'll put it to hamburger now, and then I close it back up. And then let's open it up and see if it resets to beef. Yep, resets to beef every time. So if you're doing beef, you're all good to go. If you do chicken, you're gonna have to push the button a few times. Lamb, veal, hamburger, pork, turkey. Let's see if it lets me do turkey, chicken, fish, beef. See, beef you can change the different ones to rare, to the different types. When I'm on chicken, I can't do that. So it's kind of cool. And then I can turn off this. It told me the temperature. That's pretty cool. It says 78.3 degrees Fahrenheit. And then hamburger. So it's pretty cool. And what's this other say here? Oh, you can set your desired temperature if you want. So pretty cool. So it's got a lot of cool settings. I guess I can put the little Velcro on it if I don't want to magnetize it to something. And let me see what this clip is for. I guess it's some sort of, is it a belt clip? Let's see. Let's see if it explains what that is for. No. Don't know. Weird. I guess I'll try to figure what this is out for. I mean, I guess you could do maybe like this to clip it onto something. That'd be weird. Well, now I kind of got it stuck. But it looks like it's some sort of belt clip. I don't know. Oh, maybe you have it if you have this clipped onto something and then it. No, it's not. It's not magnetized to that. I don't know. But it works for a digital thermometer, and it's pretty inexpensive and stuff, so it's pretty good. So we'll definitely be using this when we cook our stuff. I do like a lot of plant-based burger stuff, and it tells you, it says heat it to whatever, 120 degrees or something like that, so you kind of know what to do. So that's the temperature. So that's kind of what I got it for, because I cook a lot of these plant-based burgers and stuff. So so we'll see. We'll see how it goes. But it seems pretty good, and it seemed pretty accurate. It was right on my temperature. I mean, it got to about 95 or something like that. I don't think it would be 98, especially since it's cold outside, but it is 80 in here, I guess it said. So pretty cool. So it comes with this, got your little open your path to Michelin food, and I like it. Thumbs up for me. And I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. If I ever see any issues with this here, I will be sure to put it into the comments or change my description up, or maybe just delete it if I don't like it. But I like this so far. It seems good to me. So thumbs up, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.